Today we use a human presence sensor to access our ESPHome. We can see this model. Here it is. You can see it has 5 silver horns. To our power supplies. To its data. It's 3.3 volts. Never take 5 volts. May overload. Okay, I'll look for our DuPont line now, and our ESP. Okay, so here I have an ESP3R. Then these 3 wires have been inserted into it. I found 2 more wires. This is its data cable. Now I'm going to wire it up. Okay, there is a problem with what I said before. It actually has 5 increments. But only 3 need to be connected. One is positive, one is negative. The other 2, one is to connect the corresponding GPIO 17 of arcs. One is to connect OT2. Connected to GPIO 16. It only takes 4 wires. Now I'm connected. Then we plug it into our USB. See if the computer can recognize it. I've plugged it in here. Let's take a look at the computer. You can see that the computer has recognized our UEP30R. We click to connect. Then we switch to screen recording mode. First, let's take a look at our ESPHome. As usual, we open the ESPHome plugin. Then we click to open this outer. Here I have opened it. And here, again, I hooked it up. We click to brush in to initialize the build. Let's take a look at the documentation while sending it. First, in the ESPHome this official, we enter LDR. Check this corresponding document. This fixes 1.53. We also have this 1.5R, but we don't know now. So later when compiling, let's check it out first. This version of our sensor. Brush here to build successfully. Let's configure the Wi-Fi again. This Wi-Fi doesn't seem to give us a choice. Let's reconfigure it. This may be configured before, we will remove it. And let's take a look at this one. Refresh it. It has been identified here that there is a current device. We click. Then we turn off. Let's change the name. This is LDR40. Save. Back to main page. It's changed. Then we need to know this version of it first. So we add one here. Let him show such a version. But we have to add one for him first. The interface was reported wrong just now. Then we give it here TX to connect this one. O to connect this one. Set the dial key to this one. Then we click Save. Again, we still need to download it. Click Save. After downloading, we need to open this file. It. Then you can see here. This configuration we added. Add this configuration. Add this. Let's check his version for now. Oh, clear screen. A is promoting. Okay, now our firmware has been generated. It only does one thing. Displays the current firmware version. The real function has not been used yet. Then we also copy this address. Then open our one. Options for uploading widgets. Then choose. Select this widget. Swipe in. It has been swiped successfully here. Then let's go back to this page. It prompts online here. Then we found this setting. Click on this device. We add it. Good team. After adding it, you can see it here. Well, there is one. This firmware, this statement. He was on load. Well, take a look back. He's actually got his hands on the device, but we want to get it through this text. He doesn't seem to have it. We've got a problem. Okay, I just restarted this ESP after. Then connect OT1. Its firmware recognizes it. VC1.6.1. Then we can take a look. It doesn't seem to be mentioned here. It's greater than 1.5.3, or when updating. It is suitable for our configuration. So we first need to know this version. Let's update our fixed configuration again. To use it, our new version. Here we go. I only have one need now, is to pay attention. Is there anyone in my room? Then we only need this one parameter. Others are temporarily unavailable. Add it slowly later. Then we found our ESPHome. Click to edit. Then add one to him if there is a copy. I'm too lazy to download it. Stay in sync directly here. After keeping sync here, we will recompile the library for it. Okay, now it's edited for the second time. Again, we copy this path. Then reconnect our AP here. Select upload this build. Then we still flush it into the firmware. This is the second update. Check if the room is occupied. Okay, after the update. Again, let's refresh it again. We found this device of ours. Find this part. Take a look at it here. It shows this sensor here. Let's see how to add this state. First of all, this status shows that someone is currently. Then we find our device. Click it if it says you don't know what kind of chart to add to it. Then we will click this to add it to the home page. Then click next. Then click down all the way. So we refresh the home page. You will see an interface like this. After seeing it, this status shows that there is always someone present. Then click to expand this state. It shows that there is currently no one. Pay attention to this sensor. It has a 0° pipe that will face you. Now I'm facing it all the time, so it shows that another one is there. To be reminded. I just tested it for 10分钟 use. Tested here for 10分钟. He keeps showing someone. Then I checked. That is, you don't want any more air vibrations or the fan place to test. In this way, his result is inaccurate. After I open it, like now, yeah. Someone just passed by, and he's now about a minute apart. It is detected that no one is there, so when there is a fan, he will stay like this and will be disturbed after I take it away. So I'm going to reach out. Then here he detects someone again. This is the human body sensor. As for other such parameters, we'll work on that later. Now I only need such a function. Just know that I'm currently in this room with someone. That's all for today's video.